Banana cake is a moist cake made in a 9x13 pan filled with ripe bananas and cinnamon. Top this banana cake recipe with cream cheese frosting and extra bananas and serve. To start, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And grease a 9x13 pan. To make the cake, you need to mash about 3 to 4 bananas with a potato masher or the back of a fork in a medium bowl and set that aside. The riper the banana, the sweeter it will be. And you know those brown bananas you've got in your freezer? Use those up for this recipe. In another medium bowl, we're going to add in 2 3/4 cup of flour, a half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Whisk that together and then simply set that aside. In a large bowl, and I am using a stand mixer here, but you could use a hand mixer, we're going to mix together 3/4 cup of softened butter for about 2 minutes on high speed until it's light and creamy. Then we're going to add in 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 3/4 cup of brown sugar that is firm packed. Beat that again on high speed, again for about 3 minutes until it's light and fluffy. Add in 3 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Go ahead and beat that until that's combined for about another minute. Scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed. Then add in those delicious looking bananas and beat until combined for about a minute, and once again scrape the bowl as needed. Slowly add in the dry ingredients in about 3 rounds, alternating with the sour cream. Once all the ingredients are added in, give it a stir until it's completely combined. Pour the batter into the prepared pan. Spread the batter in the pan until it's nice and even, and then we're going to bake this for 43 to 46 minutes. The cake will be done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While the cake is cooking, we are going to make the tastiest cream cheese frosting, and to do that, we're going to beat 8 ounces of room temperature full fat cream cheese with a half a cup of unsalted butter. We're going to beat that for 3 to 4 minutes on high speed. Then add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla and a half a teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and beat that to combine. Then we're going to add in 3 to 4 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, mixing well between each addition. Stop at 3 cups and add more sugar, about 1/8 a cup at a time, until you've reached your desired consistency. Spread that cream cheese frosting on that cool, delicious cake, and top with extra bananas and cinnamon if desired. And then you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.